Welcome to our Revit Mastery course, where you will master the fundamentals of Revit detail modeling and BIM. For years, AutoCAD has been the standard for 2D drafting, but जब कुरा आउँछ 3D modeling and BIM को AutoCAD का आफ्नै limitations छ, plus drafting plans, elevations and sections separately in AutoCAD is time consuming and tedious. While Revit on the other hand brings everything together, यो एउटा tool मात्र नभएर it's an intelligent 3D modeling software जसले integrate गर्छ all your designs in one place. With Autodesk Revit, you can easily work on 2D and 3D designs simultaneously with automatic updates across all the views. Revitly support a comprehensive project lifecycle, from design and documentation to construction and operation, allowing for a smarter, more efficient design process that's not only faster but also future-proof. Your Revit course you will start from a beginner to confidently creating and managing projects and BIM models. We have divided our course content into 5 chapters, where each chapter focuses on some key aspects of Revit. Chapter 1, Introduction to Revit, where you will start with the basics, understanding the Revit interface and its key features. तपाईले सिक्नुहुन्छ creating a new project, setting up project units, and some other essential tools such as drawing lines, dimensions, modifying objects, and setting up levels in plan, section, and elevation. Next chapter is where you'll begin to create and modify the building blocks of your design. तपाईले सिक्नुहुन्छ working with walls, doors, windows, and floors, starting with basic structures and slowly advancing to more complex features like curtain walls and slope roofs. By the end, you'll have the skills to create and customize fundamental architectural elements in your model. Next chapter, हामी transition गर्छौं to the structural side of Revit, जहाँ तपाईले सिक्नुहुन्छ working with grids, columns, and beams to create the framework for your design. यो सँगै you'll discover how to align and modify columns, add beams to your structure, along with designing stairs, ramps, and railings, some of the key elements in the building component. Chapter 4 you will learn how to load, place, and modify families, just the standard components like doors, windows, and furniture that make up your model. You will also learn to add dimensions, tags, and annotations to your drawings for clear professional documentation. Revit annotation tools को माध्यमबाट you will master creating schedules for doors, windows, and other components, and will be able to produce detailed, accurate construction documents through sheet setup that are ready for review or submission. The final chapter is where you'll fine-tune your model and present it professionally. You'll learn how to design topography for your site using Revit site tools and also explore how to apply materials to your model. In addition, you'll get an introduction to rendering and visualization tools like Inkscape, learning how to generate realistic renderings that bring your design to life. By the end of this chapter, you'll be able to create high-quality, visually stunning presentation for clients and stakeholders. Also, at the end of each week, we give you assignments based on real-life projects to help reinforce what you've learned, providing you with constructive feedback and guiding you with best practices. Additionally, throughout the course, we provide dedicated time to solve any queries or doubts you may have, ensuring a smooth learning experience. So whether you're an architect, engineer, or designer, mastering Revit will definitely give you a competitive edge in the industry. So register now and take your skills to the next level.